Welcome back to another video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you enjoy this video.
Yeah.
Dude, you just shredded that. Wow, a double whammy. Hope there was no shart. Holy moly, dude.
I swear to God, man, these fucking half-ass towels.
Bro, don't you think you need to buy some new towels? This guy has got skills. Did you have to do that right by my face?
I swear to the Holy Mother Mary and baby Jesus, if this dog farts on my head, I'm gonna flip. You're cute, but you're not that cute.
Dude timed that one perfectly.
This is me trying the making your baby fart trick, but I'm gonna try it with my baby sister, who's 16. I mean, 17. Run. Pull.
Girl, are you serious? Is that all you got? Bro has got some serious butt issues. This guy needs to plan some serious revenge on this dude.
Oh wait, before I end it, another one. Peace.
The look on this dude's face is priceless.
Alright, here we go.
Good effort, dude, but give it another try. Dude was seriously hoping nobody heard that. Holy cow. That's enough to scare the whole damn neighborhood.
Hey, Ty.
Did anyone know that girls could actually fart like that? I don't think little bro was expecting that.
No. Smell it.
I can't believe you farted like that. Oh my God!
What? Bro,
That was on camera.
why would you...
You do it all
Now
the
your
time.
turn.
No, I don't want to.
Do it.
Go get a shower.
First one out.
That's some mad skills, bro. Imagine been woken up from your sleep with this.
Squeeze.
Bro, let me out of here. It stinks so bad. My sister could have done better than that.
I'm gonna guess the sound of my fart before I do the fart. Part 2.
This guy is a pro. Dude ran to find the fart. A guy that size, you would expect a nuclear explosion.
What did you do, Mika?
Mika, what was that? What was that? Huh?
Oh yeah, no way my guy was going to own up to that one.
You did that.
Go girl, show them how it's done. She was squeezing so hard, I hope there was no skid marks. That one got the guy really choked up. Nothing like a little fart power to give you a boost.
Hello. Bye.
Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get notified when we post new videos.